friends, my name is Jennifer, and as you may know, I run my own art business from home. Today I wanted to go over how I cut my own stickers for my shop. Though it may be intimidating at first, the process is relatively simple once you get the hang of it. For my designs, I usually draw them in Photoshop. Sometimes I start off with a sketch in my notebook just to get the general idea down, but I always finalize the design in Photoshop. It is just a program I'm used to, and it makes making borders super simple. Now, let's take this drawing for example. It is great and all, but I personally like making stickers that have a border instead of ones that are just cut straight to the edge of the design. Especially with this one where there's text on the design. If you cut straight at the design, then, well, the text won't be attached to the rest of this sticker. So by adding a border, you can effectively connect everything into one design. If you double click here, you should be able to pull up both the Effect tab and the Outline tab. These will let you make a thick outline around the entire design. And after that, I export it as a PNG file and into the Silhouette Studio we go. So I cut all of my stickers using the Silhouette Cameo 4. So we need to use the Silhouette Studio to do the formatting. Once your stickers are all formatted on the page, it should look something like this. The cut lines should light up in red, and there should be these black indicators at the corners of the machine to know where to cut later on. From here, you just print it out, laminate it, and it's ready to cut. Personally, I have the Epson EcoTank 2750, and I print on glossy vinyl sticker paper to ensure my stickers are tear resistant and water resistant. I also use Avery self-adhesive laminating sheets to further protect my stickers. It is also important that when you laminate your sticker paper, you don't laminate the black indicators as well. If you laminate them, sometimes the machine might not register them due to the glare. And make sure that you line it properly along the edge to ensure accurate cutting. And I personally like to use a scraper as well to make sure it's all stuck on properly. Once it is fed into the machine, go back to the Silhouette Studio and just press send. And at this point, the machine will do its magic. After they're done cutting, you should be able to peel them right off. If you are not able to separate the stickers from the rest of the sticker paper, you might want to increase the force or the blade depth next time when you try to cut on the machine. And that's how I make stickers. I hope this was at least somewhat helpful, and it's time for you guys to make your own. Thank you!